Have you ever wanted to automate awesome Sage 50 reporting with Microsoft Power BI? Well, now you can, and it's really easy. With Sontiq BI, you get to treat your Sage 50 system as a Power BI data source that you can refresh with a single click. Our enriched and fully relational data model with its companion Power BI desktop template will save you weeks, if not months, just getting your foundations right for powerful and flexible reporting. Sample visualizations and measures on common business themes give you an immediate head start and help you to produce your own potent and insightful reports extremely quickly and efficiently. Once you're happy with your new report, simply publish it to the Power BI service for the rest of your team to use. As a final step, set up a scheduled data refresh so that you and your users know they're always looking at the latest data. Why not take a 30-day challenge and see how much you can achieve with Power BI and your Sage 50 data?